Welcome aboard Celebrity Silhouette, revolutionized in February 2020. Join us as we discover the enhanced accommodations, transformed venues, and elevated dining experiences in this exclusive tour of Celebrity Silhouette. Book a stay at the retreat, the new luxury vacation experience aboard Celebrity Silhouette. Guests of the retreat have an array of spectacular accommodations to choose from. Unwind in the penthouse suite, a luxurious escape that boasts over 1,200 square feet of living space, including a dining room that seats up to 8, a master bedroom with a king-sized bed, and 2 full bathrooms. Treat yourself to an indulgent bath inside the stunning marble master bathroom. See gorgeous ocean views from every corner of the royal suite, where the generous living area features floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows. Soak in an expansive tub in the master bathroom and enjoy a soothing night's sleep on a luxurious cashmere mattress. With over 500 square feet of space, our sunset suites offer the perfect mix of style and comfort. Relax on the large veranda with lounge seating, or inside the master bedroom featuring a separate living space that's perfect for a movie night in. Our Celebrity Suites are 2-room suites with a large living area and floor-to-ceiling glass doors. Enjoy expansive storage space and sitting areas, as well as a lovely veranda with lounge seating. With just the right amount of living space and large glass doors, our Sky Suites have been perfectly designed to offer you a comfortable stay during your time on board. Relax on a queen-sized mattress with exhale bedding, enjoy a calming bath in the soaking tub, and take in the sunset from your own private veranda, where a dedicated butler can arrange for a bottle of sparkling wine to be delivered at sunset. Aside from these amazing accommodations, guests of the retreat also have exclusive access to Lumine, the retreat's private restaurant. Treat yourself to delicious menu items created by our Michelin-starred chef and signature dishes by Celebrity's global culinary brand ambassador, Chef Daniel Boulud. During the day, spend some time at the retreat's exclusive SUNDECK, a luxurious outdoor area where dedicated attendants always have fresh towels, tropical cocktails, and refreshing treats at hand. If you want to unwind indoors, go to the Retreat Lounge. Curl up with a good book, watch the latest sports game, and enjoy complimentary gourmet bites while a dedicated concierge takes care of any arrangements you might need. If you're staying in one of our Aqua-class staterooms, you'll be located near our world-class spa, where you'll have a personal spa concierge that can arrange a variety of spa treatments and wellness classes, full access to the Persian garden, and complimentary dining at Blue, the exclusive restaurant for Aqua-class guests. With concierge-class staterooms, experience VIP treatment with priority check-in and an exclusive welcome aboard luncheon. Throughout your stay, let your dedicated concierge take care of all of your vacation needs. Veranda staterooms offer the best of indoor and outdoor space. Start off the day by stepping out to your private veranda and enjoy the fresh sea breeze and warm sunshine. Inside, enjoy ample storage space, a queen-size cashmere mattress, and premium bath products. Book an ocean view stateroom and let the lovely sea view relax and lull you to sleep during your stay. All Ocean View staterooms come with complimentary beach towel service, daily turn-down service, and a luxury queen-sized cashmere mattress with exhale bedding. Our inside staterooms make it easy for you to sit back and enjoy all the essentials on board, including an ample sitting area, flat-screen TV, and premium bath products. Solo travelers can rest easy and comfortably in one of our single inside staterooms, a spacious yet perfectly proportioned stateroom for a party of one. Experience Celebrity Silhouette's reimagined restaurants and world-class menu in the wide selection of restaurants on board. At Silhouette's main dining room, Grand Epernay, Enjoy fresh dishes and global cuisine crafted by our Michelin-starred chef. Airy and sophisticated, Grand Epernay features a 2-story wine tower and an exquisite menu that changes daily. Blue is our exclusive restaurant for Aqua-class guests, where the food focuses on clean, crisp flavors and fresh ingredients. For a more casual dining experience, head to OCEANVIEW Cafe, a sunny, market-style restaurant featuring cuisine from all over the world, a full salad bar, and a number of stations serving made-to-order pasta, stir-fry, and pizza. While lounging poolside, try the classic fare at MAST Grill, where you'll find burgers, fries, hot dogs, and other American staples on the menu. Start your morning off right with a cup of gourmet coffee or tea at Cafe Al BACIO and Gelateria. Or if you're craving something sweet in the afternoon, order an Italian gelato or pick-me-up shot of espresso. Treat your body to freshly prepared smoothies and creative takes on health-inspired cuisine at the Spa Cafe, where flavor and fitness go hand in hand. The Lawn Club Grill is an interactive, open-air restaurant where you'll be surrounded by fresh-cut grass and beautiful views of the ocean. Choose from a number of grill specialties and learn tricks of the trade from your table's special grill chef. Experience dinner like never before with Le Petit Chef at QUSINE. With the use of 3D animation and storytelling, watch your dinner table come alive and follow a tiny chef as he prepares and plates your meal right in front of you. Pasta lovers will flock to TUSCAN Grill, our sophisticated take on an Italian trattoria, where you'll find traditional dishes such as artisanal salumi, handmade pasta, and a robust menu of Italian wines. At MURANO, our French restaurant with a contemporary twist, you'll feel like you're having dinner in Paris, as you satisfy your craving for classic dishes such as steak frites, goat cheese soufflé, and duck confit. At Sushi on 5, try a refreshing plate of salmon or yellowtail sashimi, handmade sushi rolls, and inventive desserts such as wasabi gelato and caramelized gingerbread. Have lunch at the PORCH, Celebrity Silhouette's seafood-centered restaurant, where fresh-caught fare is always on the menu. Enjoy lobster tails, an ample raw bar, and lovely sun-draped views. From casual pubs to refined lounges, there are plenty of places to grab an after-dinner drink or enjoy a night out while on board Celebrity Silhouette. Shaken or stirred, dirty or dry, order your favorite martini at the exciting Martini Bar, where friendly bartenders like to put on a show as they prepare your drink on the ice-topped bar. At Craft Social Bar, find your favorite pale ales and global beer brands within an upscale pub environment, where comfort foods like sliders and mac and cheese are also available as a late-night treat. Start your evening with a stop at Passport Bar, an inviting lounge just off the Grand Foyer, where you can order a cocktail while enjoying music from a live band that plays a mix of jazz, big band, and classical hits. Think outside the box at World Class Bar, a place where drinking a cocktail is elevated to a fine art. Watch as expert mixologists whip up colorful and eclectic drinks using fresh ingredients and the finest spirits on board. For date night, head to Ensemble Lounge before or after dinner and enjoy the elegant venue's live entertainment and handcrafted cocktails. Step back in time and dance to hits from decades past at QUASAR, our retro nightclub where you can spin and twirl on the dance floor. What's more romantic than sipping a drink under the stars? At Sky Observation Lounge, order a cocktail that matches your zodiac sign and enjoy the sparkly view all around you as you toast to yet another great night. For another jaw-dropping view, go to Sunset Bar, where you can watch the sunset in the distance as you drink a tropical cocktail while listening to pop and folk tunes. During your time at sea, Explore Celebrity Silhouette's entertaining venues and modernized spaces. Plan an afternoon picnic at our lawn club, an outdoor oasis where you can lounge on top of real grass. Play a game of bocce or croquet with the kids during the day, and at night, enjoy performances by live music bands. Melt your worries away at the spa, where a mix of relaxing and rejuvenating treatments await. Engage in aqua and aromatherapy at the Persian Garden, which is complimentary for Aqua Class guests. Book an indulgent massage or facial, and come back from your vacation feeling rested and looking better than ever. Get your heart rate pumping during a workout class in our fitness center. Sign up for everything from yoga to cardio-focused sessions, or make use of the gym's state-of-the-art machines while you admire the ocean view right in front of you. Be thrilled by captivating music, dance performances, and comedy acts at the theater, where our talented roster of performers put on shows you won't want to miss. Spend some time in the outdoor pool, where you can sunbathe on a lounge chair or take a refreshing dip in the water under the sun. If you're looking for a more relaxed pool experience, head to the adults-only indoor solarium and pool and let the sound of cascading waterfalls soothe your stress away. Bookworms can find peace and quiet at the library, where the shelves are filled with classic novels and nonfiction titles. Take the kids to Camp at Sea, our fully customizable onboard camp program for kids ages 3 to 12. Under the supervision of our trained camp counselors, children will have fun engaging in art, STEM, recreation, and culinary activities such as cupcake baking, popular camp games, and Xbox tournaments. Teens ages 13 through 17 have access to the XCLUB, a space where they can make new friends and participate in events like Xbox competitions, teen dances, and culinary classes. Hone your computer skills by taking a technology or software class at the Celebrity Eye Lounge, the only authorized Apple reseller at sea. The lounge's laptop and desktop computers are available for all of our guests to use and is open 24/7. Try your luck at our casino and its wide variety of entertaining games, including over 50 slot games and 20 table games such as blackjack, roulette, and poker. Make the most memorable moments of your vacation last forever at the photo gallery, where you can buy prints of the pictures taken by our onboard photographer or arrange for a photo shoot to commemorate a special occasion. Meanwhile, art lovers should stop by the art gallery, which has an impressive collection of contemporary pieces for viewing and for purchase on board. Now that you've seen all of the features and accommodations available on Celebrity Silhouette, we can't wait to welcome you on board.